ब्रेक्जिट पर बरतानवी अरकान पार्लियामेंट की बहस के दौरान पार्लियामेंट के बाहर ब्रेक्जिट के हामी और मुखालिफिन एहतजाज करते रहे। उन्होंने पार्लियामेंट हाउस के बाहर ब्यूरो चीफ यूके गुलाम हुसैन अवान से भी बातचीत की है और वोटिंग के दौरान मुजाहिरीन ने क्या कहा है, उनके तासुरात आप भी देखिए।
Well, to push for remaining, it's the best deal we have. We don't want this suicide. It's totally destructive. No food, no jobs. It's absolute chaos.
I'm here today because I think the majority of Britons are actually good people who want to be kind to other people who live here, wherever they're from. And I saw some of the stuff from the leavers and the angry people yesterday on the internet, and I just thought, enough. The normal people have got to come out here too.
Well, I think nobody quite knows what's going to happen in Parliament today. There's many amendments that are being looked at, and we don't know which one will go through. What I am hoping personally is that Article 50 will be delayed so we can have further discussions how to proceed on Brexit. I personally am a great lover of Europe. I want us to stay in Europe. And what I'm hoping is that we will eventually get a people's vote which will allow us to vote again. Now we know what we're letting ourselves in for.
Why am I here today? Well, I just thought I should be present to lend my support to the Remain, because I believe that the UK benefits and has a responsibility towards the rest of Europe.
It seems a really huge leave area, where in fact we go out every weekend around the North East, including Sunderland, which is seen worldwide as this huge leave area. And even there, the majority of people say they want a people's vote because it's going so badly. And the North East of England will be the worst affected from the fallout of Brexit, so that's why opinion has changed so much. So it was important that we're represented here today.
I think we should leave now. I think we should have a no deal, and that we can then trade on WTO terms and make our own way. And I think that now people have voted, that's what we deserve.